All right, let's play with Bing. So, I don't know if you guys tried it. This new chat, Bing Chat. So let's play around with it. I'm gonna use Rakit for uh, for some interesting functions that I guess it's supposed to be able to read the actual web page. So I asked it what version of ChatGPT. So I'm not ChatGPT. I'm Bing search chat bot. And the version of GPT, supposedly it's saying that it's using GPT-4 to formulate its answers. Um, and that it's different than ChatGPT because it performs more as an AI-powered search engine in the conversational format. I like that it always refers to itself as an AI, like artificial intelligent powered search engine. I'm almost certain it's marketing induced because, and somehow hard quoted, because it certainly isn't artificial intelligence. I mean, uh, maybe in a few months, but it's a machine learning algorithm, and maybe a severely advanced one. But it was interesting. I was actually speaking to it the other day about that, and wanting to get some insight why it thinks it's AI as opposed to anything else, and it just crashed on me. The fucking thing wouldn't answer. So I'll show you that chat at some point. It's very interesting. Um, so I guess it's got an ability to get some rather real time data. Not actually sure exactly how old this was, but this was a few minutes, or at least maybe like a half hour before some latency like that, because it wasn't 28.5 when it gave me this. So I asked it how else it's different. It said that it's a chatbot, performs more AI-powered search engine in the conversational format. ChatGPT is a chatbot that uses GPT 3.5. So even this guy doesn't know yet that it uses 4.0. If you wanna, if you can select, you can select the 4.0. So interesting. Um, what else I got? Well, I asked for advanced ways to use it. Uh, Advanced ways. It says basically write poems, code, much like ZD.net has done with ChatGPT. I'm not sure what ZD.net is all about. So I guess it's using ZD.net as the reference. I'm gonna have to dive into more a bit how exactly it's picking up ZD for this stuff. You can also use Bing Chatbot to scan whatever web page you're looking for and answer questions about it. I would think there would be some kind of a um, Microsoft site that would describe these features, and it would be more of a priority when it comes to the actual references, as opposed to like ZD.net. To write code much like ZD.net has done with GPT. Maybe that's why. I don't know. So, being ChatGPT 4, then throughout these videos, I didn't ask for it, but they just kind of popped them in here. I suppose this is how it shows video search. Okay, so generate some answers, and then how to use the new Bing. Okay. Right. So, another feature, tell me about the site, so it's able to recognize what's in the browser right now, and then give some information about it. So, seems pretty interesting. This is a website for Rakit, which is a for REI kit, REI, which is a virtual real estate wholesaling software and house flipping software that is trusted by thousands of real estate investors. As an integral part of scaling their real estate investment systems, the software helps you get into more deals by providing you with motivated seller leads with multiple points of contact info, effective effective direct mail postcards, automated systems for text marketing, email marketing, ringless voicemail, and cold calling for extremely effective lead generation, and expert analysis tools to make sure your deals are profitable. You can read more about it on their website. So interesting. It's like it generated this. I wonder where from. Where is it getting like that? It's trusted by thousands. I mean, is it pulling it? I wonder off of the site information. Is it? But it gets a little more interesting. So I don't know if it's on the site or where it gets this some of this information. So we got what are the features, inbound lead generating websites, a type of stackable motivated seller leads. So seems relevant for sure. It helps you get into more deals by providing you with motivated seller leads with multiple points of contact info, effective direct mail postcards, automated system for text marketing, email marketing, ringless voicemail. So similar summary as above. Then how does RateKit help in generating leads? And then it gave me all this as a virtual real estate wholesaling software. And you can pause and read this. Something similar to the previous, but you can market your website in Google search as well as Facebook with and AdWords. You can create forward numbers for each of your marketing campaigns. Also provides professionally designed and customized postcard templates using direct response best practices designed to generate the highest reply rate. Very interesting, very descriptive and detailed description. And I wonder again, where's it getting all of this? So this is where it kind of got funny. So here's the actual reply, right, to the how does the RateKit help in generating leads? And then I asked it to summarize that. Here's the summary. That doesn't look like a summary to me, I tell you that. Virtual realist, and it pretty much repeats what seems to be all of this. Virtual real estate wholesaling software, house flipping, motivated seller leads, software that's trusted by thousands of real estate investors, more deals, provide motivated seller leads. So it's like the same thing, and then like blah 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 blah, and towards the end it's like also provides expert analysis for flipping a house, wholesaling houses, or using the BRRRR method. So not a outside of like accurately actually describing what's going on here, but definitely doesn't seem like a summary. Then I asked what the site is built with, and so I gave some searches. What is RateKit built with? RateKit technology stack. So it did this first. I guess didn't really find anything useful, and then reformulated the search to make it a lot more intelligent, and found this. So RateKit is built with a variety of technologies. The front end is built with React.js and Redux, while the back end is built with Ruby on Rails, and PostgreSQL is the database management system. So like those are, I mean, the Ruby on Rails and the SQL, yes. I don't know if the React.js and Redux is the front end, but where is it coming from? So it's coming from directly from RateKit.com. And let's see one more. Crunchbase, tech stack, apps, patents, and trademarks. Oh, we're gonna have to take a look at that. So is that where it's coming from? Because I asked what is the source of that information, and so the information I provided is from the following page. Your business in a box with all the software that you need for strong deal flow, featuring inbound lead generating websites, a type of stack. So this is from here. RateKit is a virtual real estate wholesaling software, and interesting how we put this into an embedded box, like a text box, to show, I guess, the actual. So it grabs the actual text from the site that it fits the actual information. So the information provided is from the following web page, and so it gave this information, but none of that is in there. So I asked him, like, highlight where the software stack is described, and the software stack is described in the first sentence of the web page. It says your business in a box with all of the software that you need for strong deal flow. It says nothing at all about the stack. Absolutely not. So and here's a description of the software stack from RateKit website, your business in a box, and it just goes into the 8 types of stackable. So it's using a software stack, and I believe it is pivoting off of this 8 types of stackable, and it just thinks that that's the software stack because it's got software and stack. So it messed up here, and it's already kind of like going completely who knows where. But let's check out what is happening here. Holy shit. So this is rei.com. How does it know this? How does it know that this is the stack? It's built with Variety. I know for sure it's built with Ruby on Rails and PostgreSQL. Is it Postgres? I mean, it would have to be. That's the free one. So it knows the version of SQL that is being used, and it's just grabbing all four rakit.com links as the source. They're the same exact one. I don't know why it needed to source it 4 times. And let's see, where's it going to go? So retail wholesale. Okay, this one is real estate investor websites integrated with Rakit marketing. No, I keep wanting to call it Rakit. How to choose or build a first aid kit. List stacking 101, how to find the most highly motivated seller leads. Interesting. So, oh boy. Oh boy. This is RAI. I was like, yeah, first aid kit. I'm not like first aid kit in marketing, first aid kit in house flipping. No, it's just the first aid kit from RAI kit. Okay. REI first aid kit. Okay. So basically I'm starting to, so this is just me starting out, and I'm starting to get the sense that like Chat GPT or Search GPT is a little bit retarded. It's still not quite there. And if it's using Chat GPT 4, like it should be able to, interesting, it should be able to capture a huge amount of text and a huge amount of output and still be cognizant of all of that. And if we were to go and ask ChatGPT, I guess if I would like to copy and paste all of this and ask ChatGPT if there was an actual stack of software in here, I don't think it's going to. I don't think it's going to know what to do with that, in all honesty. So let's see. Oh, I don't need that. Let's see what happens. Well, let's first do. First, let's do a summary. In GPT-4. So, one thing I noticed immediately is the speed. Is the speed that Bing's GPT-4 is returning results, and how fast it is here. So, with Chat OpenAI, I've been discovering and actually reporting some issues where not only is it slow, not only are you like limited to about what I think like 25 every 3 hours, but I've been having a lot of issues with very limited output. So there's only about 30 or 40% more output that this would generate before just being cut off completely. So they're limiting output here to like 200 tokens, and if you don't know what it is, like a token is like 3 or 4 letters. So it's taking the input and adding to the output, and then just generating partial results. But here's an interesting little summary here. Lead generation websites, 8 types of motivated seller. Can you tell what the software stack is that Rakit uses? Probably say no. Yeah. So, don't know where I got it. Don't know where I got it. reach out to the Reiki team. Yeah, we gotta we gotta reach out to determine. So this GPT-4 is kind of old and dumb. Not the GPT-4 itself, but the data that it has been supposedly trained on. So it should just be outdated. But this right here is Bing, and so Bing search is very interesting, but not too sure how useful. So, and then I got at these secondary questions. What is Reiki? What is the difference between Reiki and other? Let's take a look. Let's see. Let's see how useful this stuff. Real estate wholesaling software that is trusted by thousands of real estate. Okay, so it is pretty dumb. Retry for this page only. What are the features? How does help and scale? What are motivated seller leads? Well, let's see. Is it gonna? I mean, I'm sure it's gonna just give me like a generic reply. No. Reiki provides 8 types of stackable motivated. Okay, so it's still sticking to Reiki. And what is real estate wholesaling? What is house flipping? Retry for this page. Back to what is Reiki, and this is most likely going to give me this shit right here. How to choose the best. Okay, so you can now read more about it, and it's giving me a link to the site. Let's see if we can do anything. List Reiki features in a table. Let's see. Okay. Fascinating. Yeah, there's no way that this is GPT-4. Unless I'm being throttled so hardcore on OpenAI. There's no way this is like GPT-4. If it is, this is incredibly impressive as to how fast this output was. That's spit it out. It's almost seems faster than 3.5 turbo. Yeah, it's pretty wild. I mean, you want to see what I'm talking about. So look at that. I mean, it's much faster than 4, but not anywhere near that. Holy moly! So I have a feeling that they were trying to basically, like, they're trying to throttle OpenAI in order for you to come over here and play with this one. But this one's garbage. And, and this is me just saying that over the first like half hour of use. So how much does it cost? Let's see. Nationwide rehab cost estimator. So what did it give us? Skip tracing CRM. These are the features, listed out features. Okay. So it did that on its own. Direct mail, postcards, virtual phone. Okay. And how much it costs? The price starts at $97. All right, basic, and goes up to leap to learn more about their pricing plans and features. We try what are the features of Reiki? How does their Reiki? You can visit their website to learn more about. What's the link to the price page? You can visit. Okay. Let's see. Is that really? Probably is, right? But too bad it's not linked. It's not actually linked or hyperlinked. And this is funny. Is there a pricing? Okay, so there is a pricing, but too bad it didn't hyperlink. And it looks like the next questions disappeared. Suggestions disappeared. And let's see if we can ask what's on this page. webpage I provided helps them notice that the page talks about how accurate the repair value of your property is in order to ensure the page also has information about the pricing plans. Okay, talks about Kit software can help you with this. Let's see. What kind of interesting? What plan should I pick? The plan you should pick depends on your needs and budget. You can visit their website to learn. You can compare different plans to see which one suits your best. What are the pros and cons of each plan? Oops. Okay. We've reached the end of this conversation. I think I've had enough of me. I don't blame it. Unfortunately, we need to move on. Click new topic to chat more. Okay, no, I dislike this thing you suggested. Click new topic. Okay. New topic. So set tone of responses. Balanced, more creative, more precise. Welcome back. What would you like to chat about? Let's start with more creative, balanced. Let's do a precise. So I saw this also on top here. There's a compose and insights. So compose is broken. So it doesn't do anything. So you can blog post about ways to use milk. Oh, is it gonna work? It gave me an error before. Oh, it's working. You guys saw the red arrow there. That's what was giving me for quite a while. So all right. But ways to use milk. Cool. So will it do that? No. Okay. So now it's working. That's great. Blog post ideas. What do we got here? We got a copy, forward, back, stop. Okay. We have some milk. Make homemade cheese. All right, interesting. Blog post. So overall, it's professional cowboy paragraph ideas. All right. So some templates. Very interesting. Let's check out the insights. So page topics, real estate free flipping. What do we got here? Real estate skills, REI Kit review. Okay, house flipping software 2023. Interesting. I wonder how much it costs to get these kinds of reviews.
Fast, knowing that the deal will be profitable.
All right, I see. So
construction costs nationwide. You can estimate the necessary improvement.
Very well done. Okay. RayKit.com as anonymous and aggregated from Microsoft Bing and Microsoft Edge browser. Data is anonymous. All right, interesting. So monthly traffic, where it comes from, how visitors found the site, other websites, top 3 contributing. So it's just, I guess, organic search. Data from Bing, Wikipedia text under license. What do you think of this new feature? Yeah, I like it. Sure, go ahead. Okay, I didn't like that it refreshed that, but what else I got? Raykit house flipping software review. Raykit Ray Skip review. Okay. Skip. Interesting. Raykit and Ray Skip. Alright. I think I'm getting it. Magic number 8 again. Interesting. Yeah. Alright, well that was a little preview, I guess, and a little demo of what this thing does now, so I'll keep playing with it and see if I can come up with something funny. Or let me know if you have any interesting ways that I can mess with it. Pretty cool. All right.